Imagine you're at a teddy bear factory. When an on-off switch is turned on, a machine manufactures teddy bears. Now imagine that something goes wrong and the switch never turns off, and overnight the factory is overflowing with teddy bears. Many processes in our body are coordinated by such on and off switches. One such switch involves the RAS protein. When activated, RAS promotes cell division. So how does RAS work? Well, when it's turned on, the RAS protein, short for the rat sarcoma virus protein, sends signals to other molecules to initiate cell division. The binding site on the RAS enzyme acts as an on-off switch. When a molecule named guanosine triphosphate, or GTP, binds to the enzyme, it's in the on state. And when a molecule named guanosine diphosphate, or GDP, is bound, the protein is in the off state. Like any machine, the default state is off. When it's time to turn the switch on so that the cell can grow and divide, guanine nucleotide exchange factors, or GEFs, take charge. GEF activates RAS by causing GDP to be removed and GTP to be attached. Once activated, RAS sends messages to growth factors, which are basically molecules that trigger cell growth and division. When this work is done, RAS needs to be turned off again. GTP is cleaved to form GDP, which causes the RAS protein to be inactive again. This task is facilitated by GTPase activating proteins, or GAPs. Now let's say that there is a cell with a mutation in the RAS gene because of which GAPs can't remove the phosphate and turn off the RAS protein. Remember the unstoppable production of teddy bears from the beginning? Pretty much the same thing happens here, but instead of teddy bears, there's an uncontrolled production of cells, in other words, cancer. As the mass of the cells exponentially grows, it develops into a tumor. This is why mutations in RAS are such a big issue. In fact, mutations in the RAS gene are identified in 30% of all cancers. Fortunately, several drugs such as Lumakras, approved by the FDA in May of 2021, are being designed to target cancer cells with mutated RAS proteins. And although these drugs don't cure cancer, they mark a significant milestone in the world of medicine.